Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to change Facebook name. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on Facebook app. Okay, then click on menu option. Okay, tap on settings and privacy option. Okay, click on settings. After that click on see more in account center. Okay, then tap on profiles. Click on Facebook profile. Tap on name option and click first name, middle name, then last name. Just customize your name. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.